and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Stitch Fix box and I'm trying to be excited about this box, but I'm going to be honest. There are a couple of items, and I picked some of these items, but some of them are duplicates, and one of the items that got added in, I think last minute, that I didn't pick is way oversized. You'll see what I'm talking about. But being that I did lose some weight, and I know that's a recurring theme on my channel right now, and I'm real proud and happy that I did lose the weight, but even though I changed my style profile, I still got this, you'll see it, it's very oversized, and just some of the stuff that I feel that's in this fix, I also feel is on the older side, and I was trying to give it its due justice. I didn't think it was newer items that were coming to me, but also working full-time from home, some of the items were at least more casual, comfy items, but you'll see. So anyways, let me jump off of that, and when I get into the actual fix, you'll see what I'm talking about. But how Stitch Fix works is, in case you don't know, I'm going to say this quickly because most people is it is a subscription style service. You fill out a style profile for the first time and you get matched up with a stylist, and from there they style you. You usually get 5 items in a fix. Styling fee, I believe, is $20. I don't pay that style fee because I have the style pass, which I pay $49 annually for. I've heard some rumblings that may be going away, but I did pay for it in May of this year. Also, if you keep 5 or more items, you get a discount. I believe it's 20% off. But if you use my link in the comments, you can get your own box. You get the style fee waived, and you could also get $50 to shop your first box. I have to tell you, I've maxed out my credits for this year, so I am not entitled to that same $50 credit back. However, you are. So please feel free to take a look at that link in the comments. I also have, I want to show you what's in the box. Hang on. I'm back, and I want to put my reading glasses on because this is going to require reading glasses. But in the box, first of all, this box came FedEx. And by the way, I was getting my boxes from the Dallas warehouse. I am now in Illinois. But it comes FedEx, and then you can return anything in this nifty mailer envelope, priority mail, back to the post office. Also, there is an envelope, and that has all the paperwork in it. And the first paper says, "Oh, hello." And that has the items with the style card and your style note. This is the receipt, and it says, "Thanks for letting us style you." Sorry. So let's take a look at the receipt real quick. I'm not gonna, share the prices. You'll see them as we move along, but see, this has all the items, pricing, and like I said, that discount if you keep all 5. Let me grab my nifty style card though. Again, all the items are here with ways to style, and then the style note. So I'm gonna read it. And this is, Jaryn is my stylist. She says, "Hi Janine, happy fix day. It made me so happy to hear that the check dress was a perfect fit last time around. Score. I was glad to see that you were a fan of your fix preview and selected several items to try out today. Amazing. Which items are you looking forward to most? I'd love to hear your thoughts and any feedback you may have so I continue to learn more about your personal style and preferences. Since you were drawn to comfy leisure wear this time, I grabbed a comfy neutral hoodie to pair with them. The boyfriend fit is oversized and relaxed, so don't hesitate to let me know if you'd like to try a size down. I love that the relaxed fit doesn't have to stay at home. The Cosmic Blue Love Joggers would be a great option for a fun night out when paired with your favorite sweater. XO Jaryn. So like I said, and I'm sorry, I don't know why this is so dark. I have my ring light on. It's not raining today, but it's overcast. But back to, as I said, about the oversized. It looks like it is for a reason, but it is absolutely huge on me. So that said, I'm gonna get right into this try on. I hope this lighting will be better. It's frustrating because every weekend for like the last 6 weekends here, we have had rain. And even when the rain goes away, it's not as bright as it should be. But every week when I'm working, it is sunny, bright, nice out, and I don't have time to film during the week. So I apologize, but this is what I'm left with. Anyways, for the try on sake, other than that oversized hoodie, I am just going to be wearing this, and I'm going to pull back. I think the lighting should be better if I pull back. This oversized Vineyard Vines cute little pullover top. It's kind of like a sweat material, but it's cute nonetheless. Anyways, let's get started, and I want you to see the items, so hang on. Okay, I'm back, and as promised, I have the first of the joggers on. So there are 3 joggers in this fix. 2 of them are by DAHL, 2 are the same style. This is the, I'll pull back so you can see, this is the olive color. There's also a black in there. So this is the DAHL Pacey Eco Jogger Pant, color olive, extra small, $128. So what drew me to these joggers, is the fact that I own them in like a pale blue, almost pale denim color for the spring and the summer. And they're very comfortable, and I like them, and I thought these could be an option. I didn't want, multiple, but multiple were in there, so I wanted to see the difference between the 2 colors. Like I said, these are the olive color. So they have these like pork chop pockets in the front. They also have just regular pockets in the back, a drawstring, which I had tied, untied for some reason. Sorry about that, but it was tied. And I just paired it. I have the short Uggs. I bought them at Bloomingdale's recently. Comfortable, cozy for around the house when I'm working during the week. So I like these. Here is the issue, and I'm going to show you something, so hang on. Okay, I pan down so you can see this. So here are the DAHL joggers. These are by Level 99, and I own them for quite some time. Very similar style. Might be just a touch darker in color, but not much, and I don't know if I need these. The only thing is these are also an extra small, so they're small too. They're good size. I wear these often during the week. I have no complaint about them, but again, very similar to these. So I'm kind of thinking, as much as, yeah, they're comfortable, they'd be a good addition for, comfortable during the week, working fully remote. Too similar in color, I think. So, but you let me know. Again, I'm thinking letting these go. Hang on. We're going to switch joggers. I'm going to come back with the darker. Okay, I literally just switched the color joggers. So these are still by DAHL. These are still the Pacey Eco Jogger Pant. Extra small, still $128, but these are the black ones. So the ones before were in an olive color. These are black. So I want you to see, same joggers, nothing different about them. So same exact style. Absolutely nothing different about them. So these I might consider, being that I don't have darker colored joggers like pant material now. I have jogger joggers, you know, like sweatpant joggers. That's not the issue. And I even have like athletic joggers, like performance, like not fleece, lighter weight performance joggers from like Zilla. But I have a Shacket and I want to pan up again to show you that. So hang on. Okay, as promised, I am back with that Shacket. So, and I need my paperwork. This Shacket is by Blank NYC. This is the Keep Rolling Shacket. It is in the color navy, size small, $98. I'm going to back up so you can see this Shacket. What drew me to it is that it was very blue. I thought it was going to be more blue, but there is some tan and brown. So I come closer so hopefully you can see the colors. And I'm sorry if my camera and my lighting is not doing it justice, but it's like a navy blue with like some cream and then some like taupey brown running through. It has pockets. It can be buttoned. So there are buttons to button it all the way down. Here's the front. Here's the back. What I like this, but just so you know, and I'll leave a link in the comments, I can check on my phone, but I don't know if you can see it. Like, I want to put it next to me. I bought this Shacket from Nordstrom, and it was on the anniversary sale, and it was on sale, and I got a really good price on it. So I thought, okay, this has got more blues, but when I'm looking at it, I don't know if you can tell, but the color, there's blue in this one too, and brown. So I'm not so sure this is different enough for me to need yet another Shacket in a similar color family. But again, you're seeing it side by side, so let me know your thoughts. Okay, one more pair of joggers. So I am going to back up in a second so you can see them. But these are by Cosmic Blue Love. They are the Joni Patch Pocket Jogger in the color gray, size 2, $88. So, let me back up. And if need be, I will pan down, but I think we'll be okay. These are more like a cargo-y, cottony material. The others were more, they were like a softer material. So these are a little bit harder material. So they have pockets, just like the other ones. I'd say these fit, like, you know, they're supposed to be a little bit more room to them, but they are a little big. They're a size 2 for reference. They have the pockets with the snap in the back. The bottom has elastic, just like the other two. They had elastic, if I didn't say that, at the bottom. The others had the drawstring. This has a button and a zipper closure. They're cute, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't think they're worth $88, in all honesty. If I were to keep everything in the box, then yeah, I could see, you know, the price tag, but I'm not sure, to be honest. I have that one oversized hoodie. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna leave on what I'm wearing. It's gonna look, I tried it on already, it is huge, so keep that in mind, but I want you to see it. Okay, I'm back with that last item, and the sun wants to come out so you can see the difference in lighting as the sun goes in and out. And there it goes again. But this is by MPG Sport Nina Organic Cotton Boyfriend Hoodie. It's in the color, they're saying beige, a size small, $68. This, even though it's supposed to be a boyfriend and oversized and all that, I hate it. I'm not gonna lie. It is too big. even if I size down to an extra small, this thing is just, I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it. So I you know, drawstring. I'll show you that it has a hood. But, and for reference, MPG, I can get this at Marshall's if I really needed something like this for a lot less money. This brand, I see it at Marshall's a lot. Like, the store is literally 5 minutes from my house. So I don't think it's worth $68. It's huge. It's like a moo-moo, a tent on me. Yeah. So this is going back. You have seen everything in this fix. I think I've discussed everything pretty thoroughly. Just so you know, the total of this fix is $510. Like I mentioned earlier, there's a DAHL discount of 25% off. So the DAHL discount is $127.50. The new order subtotal, if I were to keep all 5, is $382.50. And spoiler alert, you know I'm not, because I'm sending this back to begin with. So I have some decisions to make. I will say, and I'm not even bringing the items back in, but we discussed the Shacket. If I didn't have the similar one from Nordstrom, maybe I would keep it, but I think that's going to go back. So it is a choice between the joggers, and I have the similar color joggers, so I'm probably going to send back the olive ones. Even though I kind of thought the last joggers, the cosmic blue, were cute, I think if I wore them more, they'd stretch out even more, and they were already a little bit bigger, but I don't even think for $88 I want to size down. The only pair that I'm even contemplating are the DAHL, the Pacey, the jogger in black. But for $128 and not keeping everything else in the fix, and also knowing that I could probably find those at Bloomingdale's, I've seen the joggers at Bloomingdale's and probably get a discount when they do like their sales. I don't think I'm keeping anything in this fix. I'm just gonna lay it out there. I think everything is going to go back, to be honest. That said, sometimes, you know, these fixes are a huge success. Sometimes they're a bust like this, and you don't know until you try something on. Like I said, I picked 3 of the 5 items that were in this fix to try. But being that, you know, not all work, I don't have the DAHL discount, a lot factor into decisions when you do a fix. But this time out, it just was not going to work for me. That said, you know, I'm being honest here. I try. But, you know, something here might have worked for somebody else, and that's great. So I'm happy to share. But now I just want to, you know, wrap this up and say thank you to all of my returning subscribers. I appreciate all of your friendship and support. For those who don't subscribe, hit the subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say, have a magical day, and bye for now.